Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to set up two-factor authentication on Instagram. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to ensure your Instagram account is secure. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Step 3. Locate the three dots in the top right corner and tap on them. Step 4. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Step 5. In the Settings panel, scroll down and look for the Two-Factor Authentication option under the Account section. Tap on it. Step 6. You'll see a toggle button next to Require Security Code. Tap on it to enable the feature. Step 7. A prompt will appear asking you to turn on the feature. Tap on Turn On. Step 8. On the next screen, you'll be prompted to enter a 6-digit code. This code will be sent to your phone number. Make sure to add your active phone number in the settings to receive the code. If needed, you can change the phone number by tapping on Change It at the end. Step 9. After your phone number is verified, Instagram will provide you with backup codes. These codes can be used in case you don't receive the 6-digit code on your phone or are unable to access it during login authentication. An automatic screenshot of the backup codes will be saved to your gallery. Remember to keep these codes secure and only use them in emergency situations. And that's it. You've successfully set up two-factor authentication on your Instagram account, adding an extra layer of security. Remember to keep your account safe by regularly updating your password and being cautious of suspicious activities. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.